In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use your personal space in Confluence. Let's start right at the beginning. Open Confluence in your browser and log into your account. This ensures you're working within your organization's workspace and your content is saved under your profile. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the screen for your profile picture or personal menu. That's your hub for anything tied to your account settings and private workspace. From that menu, choose Personal Space. If you already have one, you'll go straight to it. If you don't, you'll see an option to create a personal space. Go ahead and create it. Your personal space is like your own digital notebook inside Confluence, a place where you can plan, draft, and think out loud without cluttering shared team areas. It's designed for you first, and you control when anything in it becomes visible to others. Now it's time to add pages for your private notes, drafts, or work documents. Use the standard page creation option and give each page a clear, descriptive title so you can find it later. In the editor, you can jot down meeting notes, sketch out project plans, or refine drafts before sharing them more widely. Keep things simple and focused. As you work, you can use headings, checklists, and links to make your pages easy to scan and revisit. Think of each page as a single topic or task. If a page starts to feel long, break it into smaller pieces. To keep everything tidy, organize your pages using child pages. Your personal space has a page tree on the side, and you can nest related pages beneath a main page. For example, a main project page can hold child pages for timelines, research, and tasks. This structure makes it easy to navigate and prevents your space from turning into a long list of unrelated notes. If needed, you can drag and drop pages to reorder them so your structure stays logical as your work evolves. When you're ready to collaborate, share specific pages only when needed. You can share a single page with selected teammates rather than exposing your entire personal space. That way, your early ideas stay private and only polished or relevant content is visible to others. Be intentional about sharing and keep access limited to the people who truly need it. Finally, keep your personal space updated for your own work reference. Review it regularly, archive or clean up old drafts, and refresh pages as projects move forward. A tidy, current personal space becomes a reliable source of truth for your day-to-day work.